salami meat. That's about 10 pounds cut up stew meat. I'm going to put up in cans. Yeah, I am. There's the cooker. Nothing in it yet. Let's see. There's the lids. And there's the scrap. Cut all the fat, gristle and crap out of it. And then that's what I got left. And then I've got about another 20 pounds after this. So I'm going to try to do 10 pounds a day. I might do 20 tomorrow since I get an early start, but I've got 30 pounds to put up. Got it at Costco. I'm gonna brown it first. In there I've got all my jars, and I'll use that to obviously clean them, plus take them out one at a time so the food will be hot, the jars will be hot, the water in the pressure cooker will be hot. And then I'll bring it up to about 10 pounds of pressure and let it go for 75 minutes. And let it cool down from lose pressure for about half hour or so. And then I'll update. Well, I'll update it as I put them in there, I guess. Anyway, thought you'd want to see it. See ya. Now, check out a better video. Putting a little bit of this up. It's all cooked up. Well, it's brown and it's warm. What I'm doing, it's called hot pack. It's the safest way. Don't want to get on botulism. Leave an inch of headspace. Vacuum that stuff in there kind of tight. And I'm going to put some juice and garlic. Squeeze the little bubbles out. Salt in there. Gotta let it express that steam for 10 minutes. Then I put the top on. Hopefully I don't blow up my kitchen. But supposedly this industrial strength bad boy is supposed to be able to handle 100 pounds. There's no way I'd get 100 pounds in there. But that's it. Next up comes trying to get the pressure to stay at 11 pounds. That should be interesting. Buchanan. Off about once every, or about 4 times a minute. Looks like it's holding 11 pounds. Awesome. Didn't take nearly as much heat as I thought. As long as that thing doesn't stop bouncing, I'm good to go. If it does, I got to start timing all over again. Turn the heat back up. A few times a minute. Okay, 75 minutes later. Pressure's falling down. As soon as it gets to 0, we will open the tap. Then take the jars out, set them on a towel, leave them there, shoot anywhere up to 8 hours to cool completely. Then I'll mark them or clean them up if they need it and mark the date. And it's canned meat for 2 years, even more actually, possibly. They say after about 2 years, the flavor starts getting weak and the nutrients are not there as much, but protein lasts. People have been eating canned stuff that's 10 years old. So anyway, there they are, all canned up. And you just heard one seal down. You hear the popping sound. I don't know if you can see it or not, but stuff is boiling in there still. That's what it looks like. It's kind of like that right there. It's really not so bad. No, it's not bad. It's a little bit freaky to do the first time, I guess. That stuff boiling in there. Nice. Okay, next.